So your job is only to tell us, hello Muhammad, welcome to our live show. I will send you our catalog for your reference. Okay, so if you have any interest, you are welcome to leave a message on Alibaba Messenger. I will reply to you at the first time. Okay, let's go back to the video. Now this is our upgraded model DSG250. You can see the height of this machine is not the same with our regular DSG250. Yes, this is the upgraded model of the crimping height. So this machine has a larger crimping force. And if you always need to crimp even 4 layers hydraulic hoses in large sizes, we would suggest you to buy this model. So for the detailed specifications of this machine, we would like to send to you if you have any interest of this model. And we would like to send you more pictures and more working videos for your reference.